Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to delete apps and programs on Windows 11 laptop. So let's see. First thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here, click on this search icon. After click on the search icon, it's going to display like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here. What you need to do is to simply type in Control Panel. Okay. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Control Panel Apps right here. It's open up like this. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to Programs. The next thing you need to do is to go to Uninstall a Program. It's going to take you to all the programs you have on your Windows 11 PC. Next thing you need to do is to simply look for the actual app you want to delete from your Windows laptop. Okay, so down below right here, I'm going to simply delete this particular app. So I'm going to select on the app. Then having selected on the app, come to the top right here where you see uninstall. Click on that. And at this point here, simply click on yes. The uninstall setup is going to prepare just like what you see on the screen right here. And in a few seconds, everything will be deleted permanently on your Windows 11 PC. So at this point here, I can simply right click on my Windows PC here and I click on refresh. So by the time we refresh and I scroll down, there is no app right here. So you can see the app has been permanently deleted on my Windows 11 laptop. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to delete a programs and uninstall any apps on Windows 11 laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about how best to use your Windows laptop. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.